I love taking viewer requests, and today I have a request to do some chest exercises. So that's what you're gonna get. So if you wanna perk up this area, join me. Welcome to Jamie G TV, the place to be for mind, body, and spiritual fabulousness. Here I offer tips and tricks to feel vital, sexy, and fit over 50. If this is something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing. Hi, so a basic exercise is the push-up. It's kind of the granddaddy of all the chest exercises, and it can be done, of course, at home, which is important these days, right? So if you can't do a push-up at all, I recommend standing up by a very sturdy counter. Hands are right at this position, this area right here, and push against the counter and back, and I will show you that right now. So absolute beginners, this is a variation. We use a counter. You go down in one unit and come right back up. It's very simple. Keeping everything straight. So what I see wrong here, someone's doing this, is they may do this. And that's obviously wrong, right? So you go down in one nice long straight line. Okay, moving on to a more advanced version. Okay. Let's start down on the ground. Everything's down. I want you to make sure you activate your back a little bit. So try to squeeze your back a little bit. And if this is your first time starting to do a push-up, come up if you can with the body weight reduced by being on your knees. So your legs come up and we go down in one unit and we come back up. Everything's in a straight line, right? Leading with the chest and back up. So the mistakes that I notice when I see this, I'll show you in a minute, is either this sinks in, which is very bad for the lower back. See, I sunk it in, or the booty is way up high and I see this, okay? So when you want to think about where do your hands go, come out to the side, forward, hands are in front of the body, right at shoulder width apart, right? So they're not up here, they're not back here, they're right under the shoulders. Everything's good, abdominals are tight, we're going down as one unit and back up, okay? And there's different variations. If this is easy, but it's too hard to do a full push-up, you can take this extremely slow on the way down, hold, and come back up. That'll make it much more challenging, right? Extremely slow down, come back up, or you can go down and then take it very, very, very slow up. So that is a great intermediate level between being able to do that one and a regular push-up. So now let's move on to the regular push-up, okay? Regular push-up. Again, hands right, shoulder width apart, good position, legs come back. Everything is tight. Everything is one line is tight. That back is activated. We go down, leading with the chest, back up. Go down, and come back up, whatever you can do, right? Come back down and back up. Now, you can also come down, practice lifting so you get that back work, push, and try to come all the way back up, okay? So that's a great way to work push-ups. And again, you can go down 2 counts, up 2 counts, down 3 counts, up 1, all different ways to change the tempo, which will change the intensity, right? So down 2, up 2, down 2, 3, up 2, 3, all different things that you can do, okay? Moving on to weights. So now we're gonna work a little bit with weights. And if you do not have a bench or something that will support you like an ottoman, you can take a pillow and you can put a pillow underneath you to try to give yourself a little bit more of a stretch, okay? So I am going to show you the dumbbell chest press. I'm laying down, right? Head is down, and I like to keep my legs down so my back is nice and flat. You don't want to have this arch in your back. You're just going to push the weight up and back down, weight up and back down. Now, the reason I like the dumbbell press is you work each arm individually. If you're using a barbell, it's very typical that the dominant arm, like I'm a lefty, may go up before the right, or vice versa if you have a barbell, something like that, right? With this, you are working each arm separately. So this is your dumbbell chest press. I put a little pillow underneath me to get a little bit better of a stretch. You want to be careful that you don't overstretch the chest though, overstretch this shoulder area, okay? Don't want to hurt that. Second one is going to be a fly, and I'm actually going to put a second pillow under my back, okay? So I am going to do this to make it an incline fly. An incline fly works a little bit more of this upper chest area here. It's also going to work down the center. So it's kind of like, okay, that's kind of gross, but you know what I mean. It works the muscle here, and it works a little bit more through here. So, you know, the chest muscle kind of fans out like this. So I go with a lighter weight. I'm lying down. Make sure you can see me. There, okay. So I go with a lighter weight, add a slight incline. Again, my back is down and protected. Sometimes one leg over the other, just like this, can help keep that back down. I am keeping my weights right above the central line of my chest. I come down to the side, get that nice stretch because of the pillows, and I come back up. Okay, this is a great chest stretch. It does work the outer area of the chest and that line down the middle of your chest. You do not want to go too heavy because you do not want to compromise the shoulder. So this is one way to do it. You are going around a big beach ball, okay? You can add little pulses here, bring it up, all different variations. Another variation, come down with a straight arm like the typical dumbbell press that we did before. As you come up, you turn and rotate the dumbbells a little bit, okay? Down, as you come up, you turn and rotate the dumbbells. So I think 3 sets of 10 to 12 of each of these exercises will be very effective in toning up the chest muscles, okay? So you have the push-up, you have the dumbbell press and chest press, and then you also have the flies. You will not increase your breast size, okay, your breast tissue with doing these. Some people still say, oh, well, I build my chest. No, you build the area underneath the breast tissue that will make the breast appear a little bit lifted. It'll look nicer. The actual size of your chest is not going to change with any type of weight training. I will tell you something though. There was an actor named John Derek who became kind of the Svengali of his wives, right? Ursula Andress, Linda Evans, and Bo Derek. And what he would do is he would have his wives do a lot of chest work. And if you look at Bo Derek in a movie called 10, you'll see that her upper body is pretty developed. And it gives the appearance of even a fuller breast than what is actually there. I have a Instagram photo of Marilyn Monroe also doing, chest work with a barbell, which is kind of funny. So it will do that for you. Okay, now I'm going to show you a stretch. So if you want to use these pillows, you just come back down, head is supported, and you let the arms just kind of hang to the side for a really nice chest stretch. Okay, another option, of course, is just to bring the arms, kind of fan them back and open up this way, okay? This is you've seen these foam rollers, right? This is really nice, okay? I never use them enough, but they're really nice, especially as you get older. You kind of lay down on this in a comfortable position, and then you let it gives you a little more, and it opens out the chest. So there you have it, 3 exercises and some stretches for your chest. I love hearing what you guys like. That was a request from a viewer. So bring them my way and I will try to get them to you. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.